Good afternoon. Just check whether voice is audible
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and
sir.
screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So, last part of orthographic projection is nothing but computer-aided drafting. So, are you observing on the screen computer-aided drafting? That is AutoCAD.
Yes, sir.
What is this? In this, what we are going to do in computer-aided drafting? Mostly, it is called as AutoCAD. So, just a summary I have written. So, if you'll see in depth, a lot many things are there in this. So, whatever software, whatever screen you are observing. So, let me see. So it is nothing but the screen of AutoCAD. So right from the beginning of this subject, EGD, Engineering Graphics and Design, I am doing this. Okay, so I am drawing sometime a line, I am drawing circle, etc., arc, and many more things. Sometimes ellipse, maybe whatever things I have drawing. It is with the help of uh, AutoCAD. So we have discussed this word AutoCAD. Can anybody remember how it is AutoCAD? Drafting means what we have seen. Drafting. Drafting means to. Anybody is remembering what I have told? Drafting means what? Drafting means to draw. Drafting is nothing but it means to draw. Okay, so with the help of computer we are drawing. So what is the meaning of aided? I think these things we have discussed. Aided means what? I have asked you to Google this word aided. I remembering at the beginning of orthographic projection chapter. At that time, I have asked you to take out the meaning of aided. What do you understand, or what is the meaning of aided? Dictionary meaning of aided.
Support.
Support again. Support
Help.
again. What? With the help of. That is correct meaning. With the help of means here we are going to draw the drawing with the help of computer. That's why it is called as computer aided drafting. AutoCAD. Even one parallel word I have told. What was that? Automobile. We have discussed this also. Mobile means what? Mobile. Mobile
Moving.
means to move from one place to other place. It is called mobile. Means whatever car, whatever vehicles are there, the vehicles are moving from one place to other place. Okay, on its own by utilizing engine power, etc. Now we will not go in that depth. That's why it is called automobile. Similarly here we are going to draw the drawing with the help of computer. That's why it is called AutoCAD. Okay. Uh, so actually symbol, so it is one of the software. So if you see the example of mobile, in mobile different applications are there. App we are saying, no, even our Zoom is one of the app. Even which we can say Zoom, many more apps are there. Okay, even WhatsApp, whatever, Facebook, these are the apps in case of mobile. Similarly, this is one of the software, drafting software. Many more softwares are there. Whatever you are learning, maybe your PPS subject, programming for problem solving, no, that it is one of the language, software language. Similarly, this is a drafting software. So what we are saying as a software is called as, whom we are calling it as
Backbone.
software? Backbone of engineer. We should know the software. Being an engineer, we should know the software. So basically, this computer-aided drafting is nothing but the drafting of the drawing with the help of computer is called as AutoCAD or computer-aided drafting. So mainly this particular AutoCAD is divided into 4 different parts. Which are they? Are you observing? So I have drawn here 4 different parts. Which are they? By yellow color I have written. What it is?
2D drafting.
2D drafting,
2D drafting,
isometric,
isometric drafting, again
3D modeling,
3D
3D
modeling,
modeling, and
Atlas program.
ellipse
Atlas
programming,
programming. So 2D drafting. So whatever now I will show it is a 2D drafting. In our syllabus, introduction to 2D is there. So isometric. Whether isometric drawings are 2D or 3D, we have discussed this thing.
3D.
3D,
3D or 2D.
3D.
Hmm?
3D.
Sure, 3D.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So actually, isometric drawings we have discussed. I think you have not remembering well. Isometric drawings in our engineering graphics. These drawings are 2D drawing, but visualization is 3D. Why? We feel it as a 3D. Actually, it is not 3D. Isometric. Why it is so? Are you remembering?
Observer's point of view.
What? Observers, that is different drawing, perspective. Isometric drawings, we feel it as a 3D. Why? Because we are selecting three different axes, 30, 30, 90 on 2D plane. We are selecting three different axes, 30 towards right, 30 towards left, and one vertical, that is 90 degree. That's why we feel it as a 3D. Actually, isometric drawings are 2D only. I will show how it is. Then 3D modeling. Actually, these 3D. Actually, today some drawings I have drawn in orthographic. Actually, that were 3D. Clearly, we were getting its uh, front view, top view, side view, whatever. Okay, that one is another type. And fourth one is Atolis for programming. What is program? What is the definition of program? In your PPS subject, what is the definition of program? One line definition. Program means what? C language. In C language, to whom we should call it as a program?
Subject. Course.
No, not that subject course. Program. Definition of program. There are instructions, no certain instructions you are supposed to give. You might have executed some
Yes, sir.
programs. So what is definition of program? Set of instructions.
Instructions.
Set of instructions is called as program. Similarly, here also there is a program. So are you remembering programming language? So are you doing programs? Or maybe have
Yes.
you?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here also we can draw the certain drawings with the help of program. It is called as Atolisp. Lisp, L-I-S-T. Lisp means list. Have you heard this word? L-I-S-T, list.
Yes, sir.
What do you? It is called as list, string, array. This might be you might have heard this word in your C language PPS subject.
Yes,
List
sir.
means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yes, sir.
List means what? List. One line definition. List. String. To whom we should call it as a string in C language? आठवतोय का? Okay, array. Have you heard this word array in your C language?
Yes, sir.
No, what is array in C language? We are also having array in our subject.
Similar data type stored into array.
Very good. Similar data type. Okay, so we will not go in that depth. Okay, it is called array. Means you are representing matrix with the array. Why? Because number of elements are given by one variable. Means matrix A. If it is a matrix A is of 3 by 3, how many elements it will have?
9.
9.
9. Means to represent 9 elements, you are using only one variable A. That's why it is called as array. Array means what? When many more things will come, array will come into picture. That's a simple thing you can remember. So actually, out of these 4 types, 2D drafting, isometric drafting, 3D modeling, and Atolisp, only 2D is there at this stage. And in first year, in FOIB Tech, in first year, only 2D drafting is there in the syllabus. Further, it is there in the syllabus, but in further classes. From your secondary, if you are in a civil or mechanical, in depth you are going to see. It is there in the syllabus, further higher classes, especially for mechanical and civil. You will learn the remaining things. But at the beginning, being an engineer, I'm not specifically telling maybe mechanical or computer, whatever. It is there for all. This 2D, we should be able to draw 2D drawing. We should be able to draw 2D drawing. So once we want to draw any 2D drawing, once we want to any 2D drawing, so actually how this AutoCAD software runs, how this AutoCAD software runs, there is called a important thing as a command. It is called as command. What we are calling it as a command. Command means what? What is
Ajna.
meaning of ajna in English? What is
Order.
order? Very good. So this particular software is working on order. It is working on order or command. What we are calling it as command means what? Order. We have to give order to this software. Just you have to give order to software and fulfill its needs. If you will fulfill its need, it will work. It is as simple as this. So it works on a command, and if you will give order to this software, and if you will fulfill, it will work. Okay, that's why. So at the here you one line is there. It is called as command line. Here clearly it is mentioned. Type a command. What do you want? Suppose I want to draw line. So I will type line. If I will draw here line, you have given command as a line. So what it is asking, near to that plus sign cursor, काय विचारतोय ते आता? Specify.
First point.
First point.
Yes, you want to draw line. If you want to draw line, type line and enter. So it will ask to specify first point. Give where you want. Suppose give. I will click. Click करतो. Click. Specify next point. Click. So it will form your command. Either double click like this. It is command line. This particular software works on command. So whatever commands you will give, it will work like that. Okay. So once once we want to learn this 2D drafting, once we want to work 2D drafting, so there are these three main parts are there in that. So to complete any 2D drawing, we should know these three things. Which are they? Draw toolbar. So number one, draw toolbar. We should know draw toolbar. Means which things we can draw. That is nothing but draw toolbar. Okay. Then modify toolbar. Whatever drawing we have drawn, it may not be the final drawing. So certain modifications we should go. That's why it is called as modify toolbar. And third one, it is called as dimensioning. So once a particular drawing is drawn, it is necessary to give dimensions. Without dimensions, our drawing will not be complete. That's why it is necessary to give dimension. So what the definition you have seen? What is the definition of program? Set of instruction is called as program. Okay, in C language. Similarly here, this toolbar. So whom we should call as a toolbar? So set of command is called as toolbar. When different commands will come together, it is called as toolbar. What is the definition of toolbar?
Set
Set
of
of
command.
Set of commands or collection of commands is called as toolbar. And what is command? Command means what?
Order.
Command means order. Simply we have to give order to the software. I want this line, type line. I want to draw circle, type circle. It will give option likewise. So these many commands are there. So only summary I have told here, a summary. Being a first year, it is there. So unfortunately, uh, you cannot practice online. So unless and until once you will be in physically in college, you will learn this thoroughly, because unless and until you will not do practice, you will not understand better. Okay, so once you will handle this software on your own physically, it is very simple or very easy to learn. So right now it is not possible. Still, I have written here summary of this software. So basically, this computer aided drafting means AutoCAD is divided into these four types. Out of that, only first is there in our syllabus. Still, I will show some components by how it looks: isometric, 3D, AutoLisp, etc. Okay. So 2D drafting, three things are important to complete any 2D drawing. If at all we want to complete any 2D drawing, which three things are important? First, to draw toolbar or to draw, to modify and to give dimensions. If at all you want to draw anything in 2D, if at all you want to draw anything in 2D, what you want, what it has to be done, what it has to be done, first you have to draw something, then you have to modify it, and finally give dimensions likewise. So let us go to okay, let us now go to all these things. So I will use it meanwhile. So what is draw toolbar? So this is the screen. So plus sign is a cursor. So here it is a view cube. It is right hand side. It is called as view cube. You can view a drawing from any side. How many faces cube will have? Cube like किती faces असतात? How many faces cube will have? Cube ला face किती असतात? Side
6.
6. Any drawing you can view from any side. Means orthographic projection only 3 sides: front, side, and top. Front, side, and top. 3 directions only in orthography, actual orthographic. But in software, you can see the drawing from any angle or from any side, we can say. So first thing now, draw toolbar. Which things were there in draw toolbar? Which things are there in draw toolbar? Means what we can draw. My simple question. कुठल्या कुठल्या गोष्टी आपण काढू शकतो? It will come in draw toolbar. Which things we can draw in draw toolbar? Using draw toolbar,
Arc.
Line,
Circle.
circle.
Point.
even point, rectangle, hatch, etc. These many things we can draw. So let us. I will show one by one. So I want to draw line. So there are different ways are there to draw line. So are you observing on the screen? It is a draw. One command is there, a draw. Draw is there. So I have clicked on draw. So these many things are there, right, in this. So whatever things you are observing, right from line. Are you observing list? So here I have given little list, but these many things are there. Line. Suppose I want to draw line. So first, what it is asking? I have clicked on line. Either you can click on that command. Either you can click here or type on command line. Type on command line or click here. It will click here line. What it will ask? Specify first point.
First point.
Then you can give certain distance, whatever you want. Double enter. It will give like this. It will be line. So shortcut to draw this. Shortcut to draw this. So it is always not necessary in this software. Once you will become fluent, expert in software, always it is not necessary to use this command. So how you can draw? So you can take help of only keyboard. Only keyboard means if you type on keyboard L enter, line will come. You cannot see me right now. I am entering L on the keyboard, enter. So what it is asking again?
Specify first point.
Specify first point. So what I have told, so to draw anything, there are 3 ways. To draw anything, there are 3 ways. Which are they? एखादी गोष्ट आपल्याला AutoCAD मध्ये ड्रॉ करायची आहे. 3 पद्धतीने आपण काढू शकतो. Which are they? Number 1, you can type on command line. You can take help of toolbar. Okay, so here the different toolbars are there. Here draw toolbar, again where it is draw, again modify gesture. Here it is a modify, important. These many things are there. Modify, then dimension. These many things are, many more are there, parametric, etc. Many more are there, format, but right now these are not important. Once you will be in fluent, you can see on your own, but right now draw, modify, and dimension. So by 3 ways you can draw anything. Suppose I want to draw line. I want to draw line one by one. I want to draw line. I am taking help, maximum time I am taking help of keyboard. It is third step. If you are with the beginning, if you are studying or if you are learning the software as a beginner, so you can take help of this toolbar. You can click on line, what it is asking, click here, click here. So once you will practice more, you will come to know that I am taking help of now keyboard. because I have practiced a lot of time. So directly I can take help of keyboard and I can draw. So one by one we will see. Suppose a shortcut. So for that purpose, shortcuts are important. Or suppose I want to draw line. So if I will do L enter, directly it will take that command. L enter, specify distance, suppose 500 or 50, like this. Okay, so it will come something like this in this way. Or suppose 10, like this. Okay, L enter, then arc, AR enter, or arc. Here all A command will come, arc. So you can draw here arc, something like this. So many more things. So suppose you want to draw arc. So here arc, and these many types of arcs are there. Suppose you are having 3 points, many more things, na? 3 point. You are having start, center, and end. Suppose 3-point arc you want to draw. This is 1 point, second point, third point. Likewise, you can draw arc. Okay, line is there, arc is there, many more types. So even here arc. Anything you can take. Then start, end, center, something like this. Start, end, center, like this. You can draw arc. So arc is the one command. So what input you require, you can take. Then circle. Shortcut of circle is C enter. C enter. So specify what it is asking. Are you able to read?
Center point for circle.
A center point for
Center
a
point
circle.
circle. So click center, give radius. So whatever radius, it will give like this. Circle. So suppose you are having diameter. Click C enter. Then either you can, so here, are you observing on command line what input it is asking? Radius. Either radius or you can give diameter. Likewise, whatever. Okay, circle. C enter is a shortcut for that. Again, what we can draw? Line and polyline. Actually, there are two different commands are there. One is line, another one is polyline. Okay. So I will give difference. So you have to tell me actually by using both we can draw. So here list of command only you have to write. I will tell. First we have seen line command. Okay. First we have seen line, then arc, then circle. So you can write somewhere so that afterwards you can, once you will be in college, you can practice on your own. So which things we can draw, that I am showing here. So line we can draw, circle we can draw, arc we can draw. Now which command? Polyline. Polyline, shortcut of polyline is PL enter. PL enter. So what is the difference between PL and polyline and line? Okay, so that I will tell. So two different square I am drawing here. This square I have drawn by polyline command. Another I will draw with the help of line command. This I have drawn by line command. Is there any difference between these two? By visualization, looking to this, yes or no?
No, sir.
Right now you are not feeling any difference, but now I will click on one of the line. Ajo cursor hai, plus sign cursor. If I will click on one of the line of first object, what it is happening? काय होता है? All 4 lines are getting selected.
All 4 lines are selected.
4 lines are selected right now. Now I will draw. I will click on one of the line of second. What is happening? काय फरक झाला आता?
Only one line
Only
is
one
selected.
Only one line is getting selected. Actually, what is use of this? याचा use कुठं आहे? In 3D it is used. So now what if मी जर या दोन्ही square ला height दिली, what it will form? If I will give height to this, याला height देतो certain दोन्हीला पण काय तयार होईल? Prism, pyramid, what it will form?
Prism.
It will form
Prism.
prism. And how it will be? आता मला सांगा difference काय आहे दोन्ही मध्ये? What is the difference between these two?
One is
make solid one, solid object, then what we should use? Line or polyline?
Polyline.
Polyline.
We should use polyline. We should use polyline in that case. Okay, likewise. This is the difference between these two. Okay, then let us say again. So this one is about line and polyline. Next one is most important command I'm telling now. That is polygon. What does mean by poly? Polyचं meaning काय सांगितलं होतं आपण? What does it mean by poly?
Many.
Many.
Means many. The geometry which has many sides, it is called as polygon. I want to draw pentagon. So that method in the our graphics it was different, but here I want to draw polygon. So poly, if you will type polygon, so it will ask number of sides. Suppose I want to draw pentagon. How many sides I should give input?
5.
5.
5. Okay. Center of polygon, somewhere there will be the center. Then two terms it is asking. Which two options it is asking after giving input as a 5? काय विचारतंय ते 5 इनपुट दिल्यानंतर?
Inscribed in circle.
Which one?
Inscribed in circle.
In circle.
Inscribed in circle or दुसरं कुठलं इनपुट विचारतंय?
Circumscribed about
Circumscribed.
circle.
Circumscribed about circle. Inscribed means what? म्हणजे जो पॉलिगॉन पाहिजे तो एखाद्या आत सर्कलच्या आतमध्ये पाहिजे का बाहेर पाहिजे? Circumscribed means outside the circle. Inscribed means inside the circle. So if I will give input as inscribed, it will ask the radius of circle. How much radius you want? Suppose I will give as a 20. 20. Okay. So here it is 20. आपण कुठला ऑप्शन दिला होता?
Inscribed.
So if I will draw circle, तर आता बाहेरचे एक सर्कल आणि आतून एक सर्कल काढतो पेंटागॉनची. आता कुणाची रेडियस किती रेडियस दिली होती हो आपण? 20. I have given input as a 20. मग कुणाची रेडियस 20 असणार आहे? आउटसाइड और इनसाइड?
Outside.
Outside.
Outside. So let us cross check with ourselves. So modify. In this way. So which radius we were given? Outside radius. So it is coming as a how much?
20.
20.
20. In this way. So likewise. So here radius was asking, but suppose I want to draw a pentagon having side 30 mm. A regular pentagon having side 30 mm. How to draw? So we can give polygon as an input instead of after giving 5 as an input. After giving 5 as an input, instead of giving circumscribed or inscribed, I have to type E. मी इथे E टाइप केलंय बघा, दिसतंय का? Small e or capital E, whatever. So you have to give input as a E. Once you will give input as a E, it will ask how much length you want. So how much you should want? Suppose 20. 20. I have given one end 20, another end should be it may be at 40. 40. So all sides, like it is how much it should be having all sides?
40.
40.
So it should be all sides should be 40. Likewise. Means how input you should want depending upon that. All sides will be of 40. Okay, what is the included angle of this?
108.
108. Is it coming 108?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In angle. You can check like this. In angle. So likewise, you can draw. In angle, you can take help of this. 108. Okay, in this way. So again, then so this is polygon. Anything you can draw. So there is no constraint. Suppose we want to draw having side polygon, center number of sides, suppose 20. 20 specify center. Instead of center, I will give E. There is no constraint for this. It is a software. You cannot challenge a software. So 20 sides, 20. So if I will use suppose 20 like. Are you observing sides? Sides what का circle what है? There are sides. Are you observing? Sides are there.
Yes.
So many more sides you can draw. Many more. So likewise. After that, quickly we will polygon over rectangle. Once next command is the rectangle. So I will tell how to draw rectangle by using line command. Line command ने कसा काढावा लागेल rectangle? L enter one vertical line whatever. Suppose 40. Vertical horizontal 60. Then 40. Horizontal 60. Okay, this is a rectangle by using line command. Similarly, rectangle will be drawn by using line command as click one point, click opposite point. Okay, 60 tab 40. This is also a rectangle. Both rectangles are in front of you. If you will see, its dimensions are also same. So what is difference? We will tell. दोन्हीमध्ये फरक काय आहे मग? As far as inputs are concerned, what is difference between these two? त्याच्यामधला फरक काय आहे? पहिला हा लाईन न काढला, किती इनपुट लागले मला पहिला रेक्टँगल काढण्यासाठी? व्हर्टिकल लाईन काढली, हॉरिझॉन्टल काढली, देन व्हर्टिकल, देन हॉरिझॉन्टल.
4.
In this case only I have clicked at one corner and diagonally opposite corner. पहिल्यामध्ये किती इनपुट लागले? By using line command, how many inputs are required?
4.
4.
4. And to draw the rectangle by using rectangle command, how many inputs are required?
2.
How many?
1.
Only one? 2 inputs are required. Once again I will tell. Rectangle, type करायचं rectangle. What it is asking, specify one corner. Click on one corner. What it is asking now? आता काय विचारतंय ते? Specify
Other corner point.
specify other corner. At this stage you have to give first horizontal dimension and then vertical. आपण ऑर्थोग्राफिक मध्ये बघितले. First horizontal, then vertical. Likewise, you have to give dimension in this way. Okay. How many inputs are required in this case?
2.
2.
Only 2 require. Which is first input which we should give? X or Y dimension? Horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
First we have to give horizontal likewise. Okay. Then ray we can draw ray. What is meant by ray? RAY? Ray, starting point, end point. Starting point, end point. Starting point, end point. What is the speciality of ray? काय असते? एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट असतो आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला काय असतो? रे हा. Is it limited or unlimited?
Unlimited. Unlimited.
Unlimited. So you cannot get end of this. So if you type ray, you cannot get end of this. The end तुम्हाला मिळू शकत नाही. ध्यानात ठेवा. You cannot get end of this. Okay. Similarly, construction line. आपण XY line काढतो बघा ऑर्थोग्राफिक मध्ये. What is the meaning of it is having arrow at both end? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Unlimited. Both ends.
Unlimited to
Both ends.
both sides. Even you cannot get end of this. त्याचा तुम्हाला end भेटणार नाही या line. That is the speciality. Okay. So again in draw toolbar, let us say draw toolbar. So one command I will show. Polygon is over. One interesting command I will show. Helix command. Then we will stop for today. Helix. Have you heard this word helix? हेलिक्स म्हणजे खटक्याचा पेन असतो बघा, त्याच्यामध्ये एक स्प्रिंग असते. दॅट इज समथिंग लाईक हेलिकल.
Yes, sir.
Helix means what? Helix. It is one radius you have to give suppose 10. Then top radius, if it is asking top radius 10, then height. Suppose height I will give as a 40. 40 and number of turn. Number of turns it will increase 20 suppose 20. So it will be something like this. आपल्या पेन मध्ये वगैरे किंवा इन शॉक ऑब्झर्व्ह अशी स्प्रिंग असते बघा पाहिली का तुम्ही सो ऍक्च्युअली इट इज नॉट स्प्रिंग इट इज
sir.
हेलिकल इट इज राईट नाव इट इज हेलिकल इट लुक्स लाईक हेलिकल वी कॅन कन्वर्ट म्हणजे असं जर एखादं 2D ड्रॉइंग असेल तुमच्या समोर so you can convert it into 3D how I will show quickly within 1 minute so let us say 1 then there is one command called as sweep sweep म्हणजे ठराविक पाथभोवती एक ऑब्जेक्ट फिरवणे so this circle we want to move in this way so it will get moved ओके आणि इथून हे सर्कल असं फिरत फिरत कुठं जाणार टॉप साइडला वी हॅव ड्रॉन सर्कल ऍट द बॉटम बट इट विल रिच टू द टॉप रिच कुठं झालं का वरती आलं मी वरती सर्कल काढलं होतं का इथं काढलं नव्हतं ते फिरत आलं तिथपर्यंत आणि इट विल लुक लाईक दिस म्हणजे आपली जी स्प्रिंग आहे ती अशी दिसेल शेवटी सो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट इन so this is just the introduction remaining part likewise it is spring will form actually space is limited that's why are you observing something like spring
Yes, sir.
something like this so for today we will stop okay so remaining part still many more things are there with the beginning just remember whatever we have seen today remaining part we will see next time many more things are there are you understanding
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
remaining part we will see lot many things are there in this software just introduction we have seen remaining some part we will see in next lecture okay any problem anybody want to ask something those who are having laptop you can try to install this software in your laptop it is free of cost you can take help of Google from AICT you can download and you can have practice it is free of cost no cost is required for this so remaining things we will see next lecture anybody want to ask any problem any